Nutco Inc. of Ontario, Canada is the largest supplier of organic peanut butter to the United States. The company switched from dumping of peanuts from burlap bags to automated discharging and conveying from bulk bags, using 2 bulk-out dischargers with integral flexible screw conveyors from Flexicon, which improved operational efficiency, reduced manual handling of the peanuts, and improved plant sanitation. Both bulk bag discharging stations feed the same roaster on an alternating basis, so that one station conveys peanuts while the other station is reloaded with a full bag of peanuts, ensuring a continuous supply of material. To load a bag, its straps are connected to a bag lifting frame that is then forklifted into 4 cradle cups at the top of the bulk-out Model BFF bulk bag discharger frame. The bag spout is cinched closed using an iris valve at the top of a hopper intake chute with side access door, allowing the drawstring to be untied and the valve opened gradually. This prevents bursts of material into the hopper from discharging air and dust into the plant. As a bag empties and lightens, spring-loaded pop-top extension posts raise the cradle and bag lifting frame, stretching the bag into a cone shape to promote total discharge. Peanuts are conveyed through a dust-tight polymer conveyor tube to the roaster at a 45-degree incline by a rotating stainless steel screw. Driven above the point at which material exits the conveyor, the screw is the only moving part contacting the material. According to the company, one operator with a fork truck can now accomplish what previously required 2 to 3 workers. Because the conveyors have required no maintenance and little sanitizing, Nutco plans to purchase another one to replace a bucket elevator. See the full range of dust-free bulk-out bulk bag dischargers and Flexicon flexible screw conveyors at flexicon.com.